understanding. It's analogous to unlocking English similes. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into a fascinating aspect of the English language. The phrase, "it's analogous to." This phrase is a key to comparing different ideas, objects, or situations, and it's incredibly useful for English learners to master. So, let's break it down together and explore how you can use it to make your English more expressive and precise. The word analogous refers to a similarity or comparability between two things. When we say something is analogous to another, we're highlighting how one thing is similar to another in certain aspects, though they may be completely different in others. This comparison is a powerful tool for understanding and explaining complex ideas by relating them to more familiar ones. When you use the phrase, "it's analogous to," you're setting the stage for a comparison. Here's how to do it effectively. 1. Identify the two things you're comparing. One is usually a concept or situation you're trying to explain, and the other is a more familiar or simpler idea. 2. Highlight the similarity. Focus on the specific aspect that is similar between the two. 3. Clarify the purpose. Make it clear that the comparison is meant to help understand the first thing better, not to say they are identical in all ways. Let's look at some examples to see the phrase in action. Learning a new language is analogous to unlocking a new world. Here, the process of learning is compared to the action of unlocking, emphasizing the idea of gaining access to something new and valuable. A company's structure is analogous to a tree's. In this comparison, the organizational levels of a company are likened to the branches of a tree, suggesting a hierarchy that grows more detailed as it branches out. When crafting your own analogies, be clear and choose relatable comparisons. Your analogy should make the concept easier to grasp, not more complicated. Use analogies sparingly. While powerful, too many analogies can clutter your message. Use them when they have the strongest impact. Tailor your analogies to your audience. What's familiar to one group may not be to another, so pick comparisons that resonate with your specific audience. We hope this exploration of "it's analogous to" has illuminated how analogies can enrich your English communication. By drawing parallels between the unfamiliar and the familiar, you can enhance understanding, engagement, and expression. Keep practicing, and soon you'll be crafting analogies that can turn complex ideas into clear insights. Thanks for watching, and see you in our next video.